In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. My name is Muhammad Rehan Zafar and my registration number is 47. I am doing telecom engineering from UET Dextra. Today the topic of my project is half-wave rectification. Now I start my presentation. First of all, you must have to know what is basically rectification. Rectification is the process of converting alternating current into direct current, and the device used for this purpose is called rectifier. The components which are used for half-wave rectification are sinusoidal voltage, V sine, diode, resistance which may be of any ohms. This is basically circuit diagram. In this diagram, this is sinusoidal voltage, this is diode, this is resistance, and this is ground. Now I will tell you the brief description of this circuit diagram. During the interval t is equal to 0 to t by 2, that is positive half cycle of the input voltage, the anode of the diode is at positive potential. So the diode is forward biased and a large amount of current flows through the circuit. For the period t by 2 to t, the anode of the diode is at negative potential, so diode is reverse biased and therefore it does not conduct any current because of very large resistance. The current which is flowing is only the leakage current. Explanation. The output signal V0 has a net positive area above the axis over a full period and an average value determined by V of DC is equal to 0.318 multiplied by Vm. Vm is basically input voltage. The process of using a silicon diode with Vk is equal to 0.7 has the following equation when Vm must be greater than Vk, means that sinusoidal voltage must be greater than 0.7. So it has the following equation: V of DC is equal to 0.318 into Vm minus Vk. Means that we have to subtract 0.7 from the input voltage. This is basically the input waveform of the circuit diagram which has been seen before. This is basically input voltage which is basically sinusoidal. Now, the output of this waveform is that one portion is conducting, that is positive half cycle of the wave is conduct. And this is the portion where the diode is reverse biased and there will be no current flowing through this circuit. PIV or PRV, a peak inverse voltage. The peak inverse voltage rating of the diode is of primary importance in the design of rectification systems. Recall that it is the voltage rating that must not be exceeded in reverse bias region or the diode will enter the Zener avalanche region. Applying Kirchhoff's voltage law, it is clearly obvious that PIV rating of diode must be equal or exceed the peak value of applied voltage. This is basically the diagram of peak inverse voltage. In this diagram, this is basically the negative potential and this is positive. And the current flowing through in this loop and has the anti-clockwise direction. And has the equation PIV is equal to minus Vm because current is flowing from positive to negative potential. So we use negative sign. Thanks a lot for explaining the whole topic.